Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix HeyGen video generation failed issues in 2026. So if your video is stuck, showing an error, or not generating at all in HeyGen, this beginner troubleshooting guide will help you step by step. First, check your internet connection. So unstable or slow internet can interrupt video rendering and cause generation to fail. Next, refresh the page and try generating again. Most temporary errors are fixed by simply retrying the process. So if your script is too long or complex, generation may fail. Try shortening it or splitting it into multiple videos. Now make sure your avatar or uploaded media is supported. Unsupported formats can cause generation errors. So clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can block video processing. Next, disable extensions like ad blockers. They can interfere with HeyGen scripts and break generation. So sometimes the problem is not your fault. Check if HeyGen servers are down or under maintenance. Now log
The
out and
person
log back
talking
into
to you
your
right
account. This refreshes your session and fixes authentication issues. Finally, if nothing works, contact HeyGen support. They can check backend issues or fix account-related problems. And that's how to fix HeyGen video generation failed issues in 2026. Once you follow these steps, most errors like stuck rendering, failed generation, and processing issues can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.